Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. How are you, everybody? Are you okay? I hope everybody will be fine. Guys, I know that I got late in recording. I'm sorry because I was busy in some of my clients' projects, so therefore the video will be regularly same like this. So don't be sad. Let's get started, guys. Remember, today in this video, I will give you a good surprise to you people, which is related with land area calculation. How to calculate irregular shape plot area. As you know, guys, for the regular shape like square or like for the rectangular, etc., you're able to find its area easily. But for the irregular shape, many people, they are confused. So this is also important for non-technical people which are not related in civil engineering, but they can learn how to find land area easily. I will make it easy for you. Okay, so guys, you can say we can find the land area with the help of Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula? First of all, I will write the formula. Okay, so I will give you the surprise in the starting. I'm not telling you, okay, but at the end, because first of all it's important you should learn the formula, then I will make it very easy for you people. Okay, so we will use the formula that is Heron's formula. So by this formula you are able to find the land area, okay, or plot area. Okay, suppose, guys, this is a plot and one side is 60.5 feet, the second one is 87.5 feet, and this, because this is irregular shape, because the angles are not in 90 degree, are not same. Okay, so I make a traverse. So in here Hero's formula we are using for those plot which are irregular, okay, like this. So this is the first traverse and this is the second traverse. So Hero's formula you can use for one traverse, then for second traverse, then for third traverse. So when you are making more traverse, so it will give you the accurate value, okay, or accurate land area. Okay, so guys, here suppose this is A and this is B and this is C. Okay, so this is first traverse and this is the second traverse. Okay, so here first of all, as you can see, the second one is 87 feet and 4 inches. So the inches should be converted to the feet, okay, like this 87.33, okay, and this one is 64. So what is the total area of this plot? How you can calculate? This is very easy, guys. So the Heron's formula is, guys, A, where A stand for area, and under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, under root is important. Okay, so guys, now what is S? This. So S, A is stand for area. So what is S? So guys, S is here A plus B plus C divided by 2, where A is this one, B is this one, and C is this one. Okay, for example, I need to find the value for S. Okay, so where, guys, S is equal, where A is 60.5 plus B 87.5 plus C, this is 100.5. so divide by 2, so it will become 248.5 and divide by 2, then you will get the value here. Okay, for S, then you will get the value again, I'm coming here, so 124.5. so this is S. Okay, so how you can find? So again, S is here 124.5 and 124.5 subtract or minus 60.5, so this is 1. So the second one is again, so S is 124.5 subtract 87.5 and the other one is where S is 124.5 subtract C, where C is 100.5. okay, so then you will multiply these things with each other. Okay, so like this. Okay, then when you take under root on this, then you will get the total area of this plot. Okay, total area of this traverse. Then use the same formula for this traverse. Then one traverse. Okay, so one traverse, the first traverse plus second traverse, so it will be the total area. Very easy, guys. Now guys, I created a sheet. Now this is the time to give you a surprise. This is the time. So I created Excel sheet, and there I did all calculations for land area. Just you put there in first column you can put there A, and second you can put there B, and second and third you can put there C. So at the end you will get the total area of this traverse or any traverse on which you want to find the land area. And second row when you come, so again you will get start, put A plus A, then B value, then C value, you will get the second. So guys, I made it very easy for you people. So how you can find that sheet? So guys, the link is in the description of this video. Click on that link and download the sheet, Excel sheet. So it's very easy, very important, and you can find the different irregular shape area easily with the help of Hero's formula. And also pray for me because I created this page for you people, and you will get the exact value. There will be no problem, I promise with you people. Just 1 millimeter problem will be not accepted there. So you will get exact area of the plot easily. Just put the sides A plus B plus C and get the total area. Again for the second traverse A plus, not A plus B plus. Okay, just put the A value, B value, C value. Again A value and B value. Okay, then you will get also C value, then you will get the area as it is. So guys, this is the surprise for you people. So go and download the link. If this video is helpful for you, so must like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.